Hi guys! My name is Bianca De Vera, ang sassy unikaihan ng Taguig, and today I will be reacting to a video that I did right before entering the PBB house. Ang unang-una pumapasok sa isip ko niyan ay pangarap ko. Pangarap ko kasi talaga yung PBB, and I said this sa isang interview, but this is my third time. So, when I say PBB, it just reminds me so much of my childhood and actually Filipino culture, entertainment. And I think it's a reflection of self-love and self-discovery. So, ayun, I'm so happy that I'm part of this edition. Aww, nakaka-proud siya kung alam niya lang kung gaano siya mag-grow inside Kuya's house and kung gaano rin siya tumaba. Ganon din yung dami-dami ng mga lessons na natutunan niya inside the house. So, ayun, so proud of her. Yaka is smart, loving, and caring. I think Bianca now, she's the same. She's still very smart, loving, and caring. Pero ngayon, siguro marami pa akong natutunan. Number one is, feeling ko, madami akong natutunan sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. But number one is really patience. Patience kasi is one thing that I wasn't able to hone as much right before entering the house. So, ngayon, with all of the tasks and challenges that I've been through, masasabi ko ngayon na I'm much more patient. Ngayon. Ito, 2-in-1 na to. I'd say my heart, yung puso ko is both my strength and weakness. Strength in a way na kaya ko magbigay and I can love you for hanggang sa makakaya ko. Mabagal ako maubos. So, I think that's the strength. And naging weakness ko yan because sometimes, this is also the same thing that can blind me. Pero, totoo pa din yun. Wala na ako malalaman. Ibig na natin yan. Values in life. This is PBB to its core, but I think it's to stay true to yourself and to your core, and yeah. Sana malakas ang sikmura mo dyan. I hope you're strong. I hope masarap ang niluluto mo dyan. Sana masipag ka. Sana hindi ka tinatamad. And last of all, I hope you never lose the fire that's within you right now. Kung bago kang pumasok ng bahay ngayon at this very moment na naka-hotel arrest ka, sana hindi mawala yung fire and passion mo for what you're doing. Sobrang cute niya. Sobrang gutom na gutom talaga siya. Gutom sa life ha, hindi sa pagkain. But I'm just nakaka-amaze kung gaano siya persistent in the things that she wants in life. And now, nakaka-evict ko lang. I would say na, I think lahat ng mga pinangarap niya para sa current Bianca right now ay natupad naman para sa past Bianca. So, para sa iyo to. I hope I am making her proud right now.
Last line.
I'm very proud of you. You did well. Yun lang.